Standard is actually a company that was founded in 1910, so it's been around for quite some number of years, but more recently, in the past 30 or so years, we've really made our mark as being the distributors in the US and Canada for both the Horizon and the Hunkeler product lines. Horizon, of course, out of Japan, and Hunkeler out of Switzerland. I mean, Horizon, of course, was more squarely in the graphic arts world. The conventional offset printing market was really their heartland market and our heartland market. The interesting thing is Horizon has made an incremental change and shift towards digital, initially developing some products that we considered sort of hybrid products that pulled double duty, if you will, serving both the conventional offset and the digital world. Today, of course, Horizon has got a very robust portfolio that's been designed specifically for the requirements of the digital print marketplace. And Hunkeler as well. It comes from a heavy iron forms manufacturing background and has moved dramatically into the direction of high-speed production inkjet, roll-fed inkjet as their core products. And I would say Horizon does a very good job of listening carefully. I think it's very easy to develop products in isolation from the market, right? And you bring them to market and the customer says it's very nice, it's shiny and pretty, but it doesn't have utility or practical use for me. And I think Horizon is a very pragmatically oriented company, and they put a lot of thought and attention into trying to detect what the customer's genuine pain points are and address those in a very efficient and easy to use way. So the solution that's being shown here at the event is not completely commercially available or is not fully hardened up yet. It'll be coming to market quite soon. When it does come to market, I'm quite certain that it's going to be very well tuned to customers' actual requirements. You know, the U.S. has been on a tear, right? The U.S. and Canadian markets both have been very strong, robust growth. Our economies continue to be rolling along, much to our surprise, or the surprise of some, I can say. That will not last forever. We are quite certain of that. We are extremely fortunate to live at that intersection of feeding and finishing where there's a lot of disruption in the print space. The good news there, of course, is that disruption is our friend. It creates opportunity, and customers who are maybe migrating from a more heavy iron or traditional print environment into the digital world, we hope and trust that we are one of the places they come to look and talk about the potential of our solutions, helping them make that transition. So even, I think, as the economy may slow, which eventually, ultimately it will, we believe that there's still tremendous upside for Horizon solutions and Hunkeler solutions in the North American market.